Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher Tanveer Ahmad Sheikh from Middle School Rampura. Today I have chosen a topic from class 8 science, materials, metals and non-metals. Today we will discuss some chemical properties on the basis of which metals can be distinguished from non-metals. Some chemical properties on the basis of which metals can be distinguished from non-metals. Metals. Metals form basic oxides with oxygen. Metals, when react with oxygen, form oxides which are basic in nature. That means they are bases which turn red litmus blue. That means they are bases. Metal oxides are basic in nature. That means they turn red litmus blue. Red litmus paper blue. Zinc plus, there is example reaction, zinc Zn plus O2 oxygen gives ZnO, zinc oxide. Metal oxide. Metals form oxides when react with oxygen, which are basic in nature, form basic oxides. Number 2, metals form hydroxides with water. Metals when react with water form hydroxides. Example, sodium and calcium react with water at room temperature. Sodium Na plus water H2O gives NaOH, sodium hydroxide. That means metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Calcium plus water, calcium Ca plus water H2O gives CaOH, calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Metals form unstable hydrides. Metals when react with hydrogen form hydrides. Na sodium metal plus H2 hydrogen gives NaH, sodium hydride, which is unstable compound, unstable hydride. Non-metals. Non-metals form acidic oxides. Metals form basic oxides, and this is the difference between metals and non-metals. Metals form basic oxides, while as non-metals form acidic oxides. Metal ch banavan basic oxides, the non-metal ch banavan acidic oxides. İşi iman don darmiyan difference. Non-metals form acidic oxides with oxygen, which turns blue litmus red. Sulfur non-metal plus oxygen O2 gives SO2, sulfur dioxide. Non-metals do not react with water. Metals react with water. Metals react with water to form hydroxides, while as non-metals do not react with water. This is another difference between metals and non-metals. Non-metals form stable hydrides. Metals form unstable hydrides, while as non-metals form stable hydrides. Sodium, nitrogen plus hydrogen H2 gives NH3, ammonia. aqueous. Non-metals form stable hydrides, while as metals form unstable hydrides. This is the difference between metals and non-metals on the basis of chemical properties. Chemical properties which distinguish between metals and non-metals. Thank you.